This is work in process of my upgrades to my Spirit Halloween Proton Pack. I have the Spangler wand to add to this. This is just waiting until I get the other part to make that function with this. But in the meantime, it might help if I turn the battery on. There we go. That'll work. I just wanted to demonstrate the music. I'm waiting on two parts for it. The upgraded amplified speaker and the wiring that will make the Spangler wand interact with the new circuit board in Alright, here we are back again. I have installed the audio upgrade. As you can see, there's a much bigger speaker sitting there now. I don't have my motherboard completed yet, so I have nowhere to actually mount the speaker yet, but that will be coming soon. But I just wanted to show off how much louder everything is. And the part I need to attach the Spangler wand to the kit has finally shipped, so in the next couple of days I'll have it completely done and ready to go. I'm super excited to get everything all working and ready to go. This Halloween is going to be insane.